name is शिवांशु श्रीवास्तव. I am 22 years old. I belongs to आगरा. 15 जून को मैं यूपीएससी की कोचिंग लेने गया था, तब उस बिल्डिंग में नीचे आग लगी और मेरा हॉल 4th फ्लोर पे था. वहाँ पर जब आग लगी तो फिर मैंने बचने के लिए विंडो से नीचे एसी का वायर पकड़ के आ रहा था, तो वो एसी का वायर स्लिप हुआ और मैं नीचे गिरा. नीचे गिरने के बाद मैं बेहोश नहीं हुआ था. फिर मुझे जगजीवन राम हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया. उसके बाद वहाँ से मुझे सफदरजंग में रेफ़र किया गया. फिर मेरे पेरेंट्स ने जानकारी ली तो उन्हें आईएसआईसी के बारे में पता चला. 16 जून को मैं आईएसआईसी में एडमिट हुआ.
We received this young boy with the inability to move his both lower limbs and loss of sensation below the waist level with loss of bladder and bowel control. So immediately we investigated him further with an MRI, CT scan and X-ray, and we found that he has a fracture of the vertebral D12 level with complete spinal cord injury. So with this information we went to the patient and we told him that you have such kind of injury, and they were really shocked to hear that they have an injury and which is going to affect his motor function of both the lower limbs. So I told him that he needs a surgery immediately, and they asked me, what is the purpose of the surgery? Will he be able to walk? So it's very difficult for us to tell him that the surgery is not meant for neurological deficit, but it is meant to protect the spinal cord from further injury and making him pain free, so that we can make him sit immediately and make him wheelchair mobile as soon as possible.
डॉक्टर महापात्रा सर ने मुझे डायग्नोस किया और 17 जून को मेरा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी का ऑपरेट किया. फिर 2 से 3 दिन बाद मेरा रिहैब स्टार्ट हुआ. रिहैब स्टार्ट होने से पहले ना तो मैं करवट ले पाता था, ना सिटिंग थी, ना मैं बैठ पाता था.
As we know, spinal cord injury affects all aspects of individual life, like physical, psychosocial, emotional. So spinal cord injury rehab follows a concept of total care starting from the time of injury or involvement, and rehabilitation should started as soon as possible in order to ensure the best result, and optimum result can only be achieved with a multidisciplinary team involvement and with holistic approach. So in ISIC we have a team of qualified professional, as this type of team not only provide motivation, guidance and hope, but also reduces the impact of disability so that patient can achieve maximum independence and better quality of life.
Most important thing is to announce that what will be the outcome of this kind of surgery, because in these kind of settings the patient himself and the families, they are all shocked and they are all depressed. As a surgeon, it's very important for me to speak to them and be polite and gradually announce the outcome of these surgeries.
शिवांशु जब हमारे पास आए ऑपरेशन के बाद, तो ही वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी एंड न्यूरोजेनिक ब्लैडर. और न्यूरोजेनिक ब्लैडर में अर्ली केयर की बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होती है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में चोट लगने के बाद पैरों के अतिरिक्त यूरिनरी और बाउल डिसफंक्शन यानी मूत्राशय से संबंधित तकलीफ भी होती हैं, जो आमतौर से नेग्लेक्टेड रहती हैं. हमारे देश में 90% से ज़्यादा लोगों में यूरिनरी प्रॉब्लम्स अर्ली फेज में नेग्लेक्टेड रहती हैं और पेशेंट्स लंबे समय तक फुलीज कैथेटर पर रहते हैं. हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन यानी इंडियन स्पाइनल इंजरी सेंटर में वी फॉलो ए स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट प्रोटोकॉल बेस्ड प्रोग्राम वेयर वी यूज़ ए न्यूरो-यूरोलॉजी परफॉर्मर फॉर ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, and we immediately at the earliest remove the catheters which are Foley's catheter like this, and we start off with the state of the art intermittent catheterization program, and this program is held by our urology nurses, a set of 3 nurses experienced and dedicated to this cause.
बस धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे मेरा रिहैब चलता रहा, फिर मैंने सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग और काफ़ी चीज़ें जैसे व्हीलचेयर चलाना इंडिपेंडेंटली और व्हीलचेयर शिफ्टिंग, जो आज 2 मंथ हो चुके हैं, वो धीरे धीरे मैं प्रोग्रेस कर रहा हूँ, तो उससे मुझे काफ़ी पॉजिटिव फील हो रहा है.
Shivanshu is a young guy and he was in the prime of his career. and he ended up on a wheelchair. So my job was to start counseling and guide him step by step towards reclaiming his life on the wheelchair. So I train on wheelchair skills. Basically, there are basic wheelchair skills and advanced wheelchair skills. And with Shivanshu, the training, he was pretty fragile when it started. He didn't know how to sit properly. So we started teaching him how to sit properly on a chair, start propelling, and slowly and gradually, day by day, we wanted to build the confidence in him.
This surgery is one aspect of the rehabilitation. The other important aspect of the rehabilitation to get him into the rehabilitation department and make him as independent as possible, because at our institute, as a principle of our Indian Spinal Injury Center, is to get these kind of patients back to their normal activities as per their neurological level.
Surgery was performed here, after which his rehabilitation was started. Initially, when the patient came to our department, he was very depressed and was not independent in all his areas. With the help of rehab of 2 months, now he is able to sit by himself with proper balance. Now he is standing with the help of prosthesis, and soon he will be walking therapeutically through walker.
We at our center, the rehabilitation team comprises of the psychological expert, the wheelchair skill teaching expert, the biomechanical engineer which designs or give them the wheelchair as per their specific needs, the social worker, the physiotherapist, and the occupational therapist and the social worker. So all of us together, we have to work towards his independent life as far as possible.
In occupation, we have to work on the upper limb basically and the trunks. And initially, when Shivanshu come to the rehab, he was not able to do any bad mobilities like rolling, turning, not even sitting. There was nothing he was able to do. But now, slowly and gradually, he started doing all the activities like shifting and rolling, turning, and the main challenge was our ADL and the wheelchair skill training. Now he was able to do, he was completely independent in all his ADL tasks like brushing, bathing, dressing, each and every part he can wear his shoes independently without any help and support.
आज के टाइम पे मैं पैरेलल बार पे स्टैंडिंग कर रहा हूँ और उस पर चलने भी वाला हूँ। अगर किसी को ज़िंदगी में स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी हो तो वो कहीं पर भी न जाए, सीधे इंडियन स्पाइनल इंजरी सेंटर में आए, क्योंकि यही वो हॉस्पिटल है जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी को बेहतर तरीके से समझता है और यहाँ पर आकर हमें बेटर इन्वायरमेंट, पॉजिटिविटी का फील कराता है। जिसे भी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी हो वो गिव अप ना करे और अच्छे से फाइट करे, लाइफ की जर्नी को एक नई तरीके से स्टार्ट करे।
Recovery and rehabilitation are two different things. My job is rehabilitation, so I wanted him to get good with wheelchair skills. So I started him training on basic wheelchair skills, which includes how to sit on a wheelchair, how to propel a wheelchair, how to do daily activities like shifting from a bed to a wheelchair, shifting into a car, and all the daily things that you come through in a day. So Shivanshu has picked up really well. He learned the skills, he is doing better, and he is improving on his endurance day by day.
So we always try to get these kind of patients back to and try to get them integrated into the society, make them as independent as possible, make them as mobile as possible, and try to get them back to what they are doing as per the present norms.